One.
This is trains.
This is Ethan's trains. What have we got today, Ethan? So we're doing some unboxing today?
Yeah.
Oh wow, let's have a look at what we've got. So we've got Oliver Adventures. We bought this from the toy shop Smiths, didn't we? And we've got Oliver and we've got Ferdinand. Where's Ferdinand from? Misty Island. And Oliver is from the Great Western Railway. But he works on the Little Western Railway, doesn't he? Let's put these over here. And what do we have over here? This is Cranky at the Docks, Thomas Adventure playset with Thomas. Oh wow! What's Thomas got with him?
A cargo.
Oh, wow, let's have a look. Whoa, look at that lifting bridge.
There's a duck boat.
It's like a ball-stroke barge.
Yeah.
Thomas and Cranky,
Or
our favourite.
like captain.
I think Oliver and Ferdinand is going to be excited to get out of the box. Look. I can't wait to play with Cranky. Shall we open it?
I can't wait. I mean, I'm cranky.
Shall we open it? You gonna open Ferdinand? Let's have a look. Oh wow, let's have a look. Thomas Adventure, Ferdinand. Wow, let me have a look. He's very nice, isn't he? Let's have a look. See if he drives. That's Ferdinand. Shall we open Oliver? And who's this coming out? Let's have a look. Oliver. Hello, Oliver. Hello, everybody. Hello, Ethan's YouTube channel. You say hello to all your friends. What number is Oliver? Number 1 and 1. Number 11.
Hi.
And what's Ferdinand? Has Ferdinand got a number? No, he's just got the login locos, isn't he? Let's have a look at his face. Oh, his teeth are... His teeth. And he's got tender, hasn't he? He's tender. Should we open the big playset now so they can both play on it?
Yeah.
Let's get all out there. Oh, who's that? It's fell out. Look. Who's this?
Cranky.
He's not a train.
No.
Look, he's like he's a train. Get off me, get off me. What else is in the box? What's that packet over there? Lots of bits. And here's the barge. Should we put it together?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Before we take him out though, should we take Thomas out? Go on in. Big Paul. That's it. Let's have a look. We've got another adventure, Thomas. Oh no! Not another adventure, Thomas. Oh, you have so many of these.
Hi.
And we have flatbed with, what's that? What is it?
Cargo.
Cargo. It's from cargo. Right. Let's set up Cranky. Ta-da! It's been set up. Ethan, what's happening? How do we play it then? Thomas comes round. Can I lift the bridge? Or can I drive the barge?
You can drive back.
Then lift the bridge up for me. Thomas, you have to wait a minute. Go on, Thomas, you can go on the bridge. He nearly done a big jump, didn't he? Why don't you take him round to Cranky? Take Thomas round to Cranky. Is another engine going to come? Oliver wanted to play on it. Look, he's really happy. Look. I might take Oliver on it.
No, I think Ferdinand.
Oh, Ferdinand's going first.
Do.
Is he coming through the tunnel? I can see him. Look. Oh, hello, Ferdinand. He's getting round to Cranky. What's he? Oh, he's through the tunnel again. Can you drive Oliver through the tunnel? Let's see Oliver now.
Wow.
Let's see Oliver. through the tunnel. Oh, and he's tender. Bridge, this little bridge, a lifting bridge. Very good, very sturdy. And we have, comes with a little barge. Show you a little barge, some cargo. We also have a little Sodor sign. We have Sodor Shipping Company building. Fish market building. And we have Cranky. This Cranky is a little more sturdy than the take and play set. The take and play one, it used to fall down. This Cranky stays up, which is very, very good. Who's he going to load? Oliver needs to have a empty tender. Yeah, give him that tender. And then he can collect something.
Thomas can take that tender after.
Yeah. So Oliver can have it for a bit. Oliver wanted to play on it, didn't he? There you go, Oliver. And Cranky can lower it to him. Bird. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, careful. Careful does it. That's what Cranky was able, didn't he? There you go. And the barrel will come out. And Cranky can go back up. And Oliver can drive away with the barrel. Do you want to drive Oliver through the tunnel?
Help! Oh, I got it around.
Oh, he's derailed already? We haven't got no other engines up here. When you got Thomas, drive Oliver through the tunnel. He hasn't been through the tunnel here. Here, drive Oliver. Drive Oliver through the tunnel.
Don't do.
Drive Oliver through here.
No, I think Thomas wants.
Oh, Thomas wants to go through the tunnel.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put Thomas's tender on. Oh, Oliver's been derailed by Ethan. By Ethan's hand.
Need to stop.
He's going to the fish market. Oh, Thomas is coming through. Here he is.
Whoa.
Everyone's favourite blue engine. Oh, he hasn't come through.
Okay.
He didn't come through. He's derailed. Oh no, Thomas, are you okay?
Yeah.
I think Mr. Barge wants to help him.
I want to help him because I'm big, strong engine.
Ferdinand's a strong engine?
Yeah.
Let him go and help Thomas then. We'll watch here. It's quite scary over there. He's not helping him.
And me.
Oliver, be careful. Oh, Oliver's derailed too. Oh no. Who do we need to call?
A breakdown train.
A breakdown train?
Yeah.
Who's that?
Riding in the drone. Oh,
Ferdinand's crashed too. So who do we need to call, Ethan?
Kevin.
Kevin. Da, 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 da. Hello, Kevin. Can you not drop things and can you help pick all the engines, please?
Putting back on track.
Use his hook then. Let's put them both. Let's put them everybody on the track, and then they'll be safe for the night. Oh no, Kevin's derailed.
Kevin, this.
I think Kevin always falls over, so he can get himself up. He needs to help Ferdinand. Oh, Ferdinand. He's a big, strong engine. He's helped himself. He's back on the track. Oh. Let's go and help Oliver. Oliver's back on the track. Ooh, that was scary. I'm getting off this track. He's gone. Kevin, he needs to help one more engine. Who's going to help?
Thomas.
Oh, he can't fit through. He can't fit through the tunnel. Oh, you put his crane down. Okay. Let him help Thomas then.
I don't like this track. This is scary.
Oh, what's going on over here? The barge is going to help Thomas, I think. If the barge sails around here, Thomas can get his wheels onto the barge. He can leave his tender in the water. Get his wheels onto the barge. The barge takes him round here, and Thomas can jump off and back on the track. And everybody's happy. Thanks for watching, everybody.
I'm watching everybody.
Bye bye.